Hey, what's up guys? Adam with IntoVenture here, bringing you a video today on first aid kits, and it's going to be kind of a quick run through. I'm not going to dive into a bunch of the details about each piece and what every single thing can do. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to comment below. If you have any suggestions of things that I don't have that you think would be a great addition, I'd love to hear that. I'm kind of going through three different ones. I've got a trauma kit, I've got kind of a med kit, medications kit, and then I've got a smaller hiking first aid kit that you can take with you on the go real easily. I've got a bunch of other small first aid kits in like go bags and things like that, but these are kind of the main ones. The biggest one being the trauma kit that has kind of the bigger pieces of equipment. I do bring all of them with me when I'm out overlanding. When I'm just out on like a trip, I don't have the trauma kit with me. I usually more just have that hiking kit and a small medications kit with me. You know, when you're traveling abroad, things like that. But yeah, definitely out overlanding, I prepare for a wide variety of situations. So like I said, I'm gonna have that trauma kit, just a basic medications kit, and then your standard small hiking first aid kit. Let's dive into it. We've got the main trauma kit. I've got more of a med kit. There's more medicine and things like that in here. And then this is just a small hiking first aid kit. So let's dive into these, and I'm gonna go through it super quick, like I said, and just knock them out. They are pretty much all homemade. I've even put my own things into this one. Things expire. I just found it easier to keep up on it by putting my own things into it. And then you get all the products that you want, especially in regards to a trauma kit. Let's go. All right, so I'll just start on the outside pouches here. This is a bug bite sucker. It actually works pretty well. All right, you've got your SWAT T wrap and tuck tourniquet. I've got another type of tourniquet in here, but this is one of the quicker use ones, really good to have. This is just a cloth bandage. You've got quick clotting gauze for a wide variety of uses, but if there were to be a gunshot wound or something like that, or a deep knife wound, that's a good thing to have. Matches, just in case. Tums, because heartburn sucks. This is an ankle wrap. Never know. Quick use, I've just got gauze pads, rubber gloves, cleansing wipes, and some Band-Aids as something that I can quickly access on the outside of the pack. Instant cold pack. Yeah, these can really come in handy. These things are amazing. All right, move into the first inside pouch here. All right, so I do have a small amount of basically consumables, Alka-Seltzer, just a couple of small things in here, Benadryl, Pepto-Bismol, just in case. That's not the main use of this. Waterproof tape, prep pads, way more Band-Aids, even some Breathe Right strips, just in case. All right, so you've got finger splints. In case you break a finger, you can splint it. Keep it nice and straight. Again, more gauze and a couple of larger Band-Aids. Isopropyl alcohol in a container that can, you can squirt it with force, clean out wounds. And we've got same concept with hydrogen peroxide. It's wrapped because it needs to be kept in a dark container. And let's see here. Okay. Thermometer covers and digital thermometer. I'm not gonna pull it off of this. This keeps them all nice and neat in here, but you've got all your different scissor tools. You can be able to hold wounds open, pinch them shut. Nice, you can cut through pants real easily with this, or old dressings, things like that. Syringe to be able to clean wounds out even better if you need to. Nice pointed tip on that one. Really fine point tweezers, and then just your basic tweezers. Really helpful little grabber tool. You can use it for stitches, you can use it for just pulling anything out. All right, so I quickly put all the stuff that I just pulled out back in, and we will do the final little pouch here. This is the winded tourniquet that I have in here, the CAT tourniquet, if you will, combat application tourniquet. The other one was just the elastic band one, but it's good to have both. There are 4 different types of tourniquets. There's windlass, elastic band, pneumatic, and ratcheting. I've just got the 2 different types, but yeah, it's whatever you might want. This is a skin stapler, kind of a substitute for stitches, but you can't always use this in place of stitching, and therefore that is why I have an actual suture kit with multiple different sizes of sutures. Everything's packaged away and clean, so that's not a bad thing to have on hand. You do have to know how to do that, obviously. Got your CPR mask and glove in here. Just a basic ace bandage. This is a sand splint. You can wrap anything in this to help stabilize, create a temporary cast, basically. Again, another ace bandage. I've got a pretty decent knee brace. This is a sling and a stethoscope. And that's pretty much it. Let me see what I have in the back here, actually. That's right. I do have some instructionals on some of these pieces of equipment, which is nice to have. Hand warmers, icy hot patches, just kind of in this little back pouch area here. But that's it for this one. Let's move on to the other ones super quick. All right, so this is just a little homemade kit to carry more medications and things. You've got gas relief, just lotion. I've got Advil and Tylenol in here, both. Do have more Band-Aids, things like that. Wet ones, icy hot. These are just a bunch of odds and ends. Neosporin, cortisone cream, again, some matches, earplugs, outdoor soap, a lighter. Yeah, kind of nice to have. New Skin liquid Band-Aid, chapstick, Q-tips, flossers, UV chapstick, and then in here is where I've got more of the actual medications. I'm not going to go through all of them. Claritin, Benadryl, azithromycin, which is a pretty good antibiotic in case you were to need that. Pepto-Bismol, Alka-Seltzer Cold & Plus, all sorts of goodies in there, just the things that you might need. I've already had some of them over here. Carry emergency, whole bag of cough drops and more Tums. And then you've got water purification tablets, brought to you by MSR. And I think that's pretty much it for this one. And last, I always, when out hiking, carry a small version of basically all of that. So Band-Aids, gauze, Advil and Tylenol, medications, some topical relief, ace bandage, tape, hand wipes, you know, your basic stuff in here for if anything were to happen out on a hike, that you could treat minor things, duplicates of those. I'm undoubtedly missing some things, but always looking for those tips. All right, everyone, thanks for watching the video about my trauma kit, the medications kit, and the hiking first aid gear, just all encompassing. Again, if you have any suggestions on things to add to this kit, love to hear it. Yeah, if you want any clarification on any of these, please comment below. I'll either comment, or if it demands it, I can make an entire another video about that one piece or a couple pieces of equipment there. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video today, everybody. Just remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know, all those things, and we'll see you guys next time.